All right, guys, we're getting through this. Roof and details sheet next. First things first, send the roof plan to the layout. Super easy, guys, because all you got to do is change the saved plan view to the roof plan view. And look at that, there's our roof plan. We're going to touch the roof plane, grab the label, move it over to somewhere where it's easier to see. Yes, this will turn off auto rebuild roofs. There you go. You only have 2 roof planes on this one. And if you want to know more about roof planes, I made a video. Check it out on the YouTube channel. Grab this dude, go over to your sheet set, go to the next page, send this over to layout. There it is, guys. There's a roof plan. We're going to grab this, move it over here, grab the roof plan label, put it below it, and then now we'll check our list. Label the overhang. Okay, we had a 12-inch overhang from our auto rebuild roof thingy. So I'm going to copy this text, and it happens to say that all overhangs are 12 inches. And I'm just going to stretch it out and then throw one here, copy, paste, throw one back here. Now, if anyone can read, they'll see that all the roof overhangs are 12 inches. Great. Next thing. Label the venting requirement. Okay, this is a little bit of an extra cute thing that I like to do in here. But basically, I'm going to take this, I'm going to drop it here on the roof, and then we're going to do a little bit of math. Before we open this up, we got to know what's the square footage of our building here. We're going to go back to our cover sheet, check these numbers, and say, okay, we had, see, the deck wasn't roofed. We're going to do 900 plus 216, which is 1116 square feet of roof area. We'll go back to our roof plan, open this up, and we're starting out with 1116 square feet. Here's how you follow the math. Leave the 300 number alone and do this calculation. What is the number you put in divided by 300? 1116 divided by 300 is 3.72. 3.72 goes over here. Now take 40% of 3.72. Multiply this by 0.4. 1.49, let's say. That means we need 1.49 total net free air for flowing venting purposes above the soffit. That means turbines or roof vents, we want 1.49 square feet of net free air. And that means the other part, the other 60% is going to go to the venting in the soffit. We need to know the difference between 3.72 and 1.49. Looks like that comes out to 2.23. That number goes right here. Now 2.23 square feet of net free air. In order to get that with hardy vented soffit, you need 29 feet per 1 square foot of net free air. So we're going to multiply 2.23 times 29. 2.23 times 29 is 64.6. Let's just say 65 linear feet of perforated hardy soffit. If we put these numbers in, we know we're meeting the code for venting roofs. That's all this is for. And we'll summarize this again at the bottom by saying 3.72 square feet of net free air. Is anybody ever going to read this? Probably not, but it's kind of a cool thing to have. All right, now send interior elevations to layout. Okay, so this is where you get to decide if you even care to send your cabinetry to layout or not, how detailed you want to be. That's up to you guys. But what you would do if you were going to is you'd go back to a different view, like the working plan view, and you would say, you know what, I kind of want to at least see the cabinetry. So there's my kitchen. I'm going to go to cross-section view, drop a camera, hold and click, and then drag to the left. It's going to open up the cross-section view of this part. We're going to zoom in the part we care about, zoom out just a little bit, and we like it here. We're going to go File, Send to Layout, the current screen, plot lines, and we're going to blow it up to 1/2 inches, 1 foot. Hit OK. Now it's over here on our sheet. We're going to drag these over to exclude everything except showing where the ceiling plane and the walls are. There we go. And there's our kitchen detail. Super easy, guys. We'll take that, put it there. We can go copy one of these labels, kitchen, paste it underneath here. This is the kitchen left wall. Hit OK. Scale is 1/2 inch per foot. There you go, guys. There it is. You can add more labels and dimensions and all kinds of stuff. But that's all I want for now. And then we'll drop another camera this way, facing the rear wall of the kitchen. Do the same process. Zoom in, File, send it over to Layout. Everything's good. Hit OK. Oops, I forgot to change the scale to 1/2 inch per foot. That's OK. I will right-click on this, open it up, go to Box Scale, change it to 1/2 inch per foot. Hit OK. There it is. That's what I wanted. Now I'm going to adjust the box. There's my kitchen rear wall. Copy the label over, open it up, done. All right, we'll go ahead and do kitchen island too. Again, guys, you're going to click up here to this cross-section elevation button. In this case, we're going to use a back-clipped cross-section because I don't want to see all the walls behind the island. Back-clipped, I'm going to go to the face of facing the island, and I'm going to stop and let go of the cursor over here in the empty area. And what that's going to do in my camera view is it's going to forget everything else that's behind that island. And right now in my camera view, it's not showing the island because for whatever reason that layer is off. You'd go find it in the layer list, and you can say island cabinets and countertops. Turn that stuff on. There it is. We can basically just zoom in on this, send it over to layout. Make sure this time we remember 1/2 inch per foot. Okay. Now you have this island to scale. Let's clean up the box. Copy the label over. Put it right here. Open it up. Kitchen island. Boom. There's some interior details. Super easy, guys. That is all for this sheet. You can add cross sections of the house. You can add all kinds of stuff. Actually, let me show you how to do one. If for whatever reason you need to cross section the house to define something else, just go to cross section or back clip, either one. And I'm going to just cut the house in half, looking at the kitchen this way, and you'll see what happens. It's going to open up a cross section of the house, and it's going to show you, hey, like here's the wall, here's the plate, here's what's, like you literally cut the house in half. You can send this over to the layout as well, and that's going to pop up here and you can label it and do all kinds of cool stuff. That's how you would do it. But we are done with this sheet. That's all we need.